Welcome back to the channel. We have this question on integration and we'll have to solve this and we'll have to evaluate this expression. Now let me simply rewrite the expression. This is 1, here is half, and here is x raised to power 3 minus 4 all over x raised to power 3. Now to integrate this, the first thing I want to do is I want to break down this expression. Now it's the same thing as the integral of here is 1 and half. Then I'll have x over 3 over x over 3 minus 4 over x over 3. Everything with respect to dx. So that I can write this as, here will be my 1 half x over 3 to x over 3, that's 1 with respect to the x. I'm breaking it down individually. Then here also will be 4 over x over 3. From indices, I can simply write this as 4x raised to power minus 3 with respect to dx. Now we know from basic integration that when I'm integrating ax raised to power n with respect to dx, it becomes ax raised to power n plus 1 all over n plus 1. I'll use this formula for each of these integrals. This also is ranging between 1 and half. So that if I'm integrating 1 is as good as writing this as, I'm writing this as x raised to power 0. Now 0 times, that's my n now will be 0. That's x now will be x raised to power 0 plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. Now it's moving between 1 and half, and also minus 4 x raised to power minus 3 plus 1, that's plus 1 all over minus 3 plus 1. This also is moving between 1 and half. So that this is x minus 4. This is minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2. I write this as minus 2. Minus 2 times plus times minus, it becomes plus. Now 2 here is 1. 2 in 4 is 2. So I can write this as 2. Here is x raised to power minus 3 plus 1, that's minus 2. And everything is moving between 1 and half. Now, so I can rewrite this now. This becomes 1 plus 2 into 1 raised to power minus 2. I've replaced the value of x here with the 1 value here, minus, now I'm going to replace this again with the half value, half plus 2 into half raised to power minus 2. So that 1 now plus 2, 1 raised to power minus 2 is just 1. So 1 times 2, that's 2. And close this way. Then let's expand this. This will be half plus, now this is 2. And this is minus 2. So I want to write this as, first and foremost, I want to treat this. See how I'll treat this. I want you to be careful with how you treat fractions. Now I want to treat this. That will be half raised to power 2 first. That will be equals to 1 over 4. Then because I have it as minus, that's the same thing as 1 over 1 over 4, which is the same thing as 4. Which is the same thing as 4. So I'll have that as 4 now times 2. That's it. That's it. So that this is the same thing as 3 minus 8.5. Finally, I'll have 3 minus 8.5. That's the same thing as minus 5.5. Minus 5.5. With this, I hope you understood how we solve this integral problem. We'll be glad to share your comment with us in the comment section. Thank you.